our nation's second highest court, grappling with some of the most difficult constitutional and legal issues we face as a nation. She has more
unresolved decisions by the Supreme Court are leading to federal laws that should apply to the whole country being constitutional in some parts but unconstitutional in others.
But the common thread that runs through all of my decisions is simple. We will safeguard what we must to protect the American people, but we will also ensure the accountability and oversight that is the hallmark of our constitutional system. My team has reached out to constitutional scholars, advocacy organizations, and bar associations representing an array of interests and opinions.
The days ahead, I look forward to working with the Senate as they discharge their constitutional authorities and obligations in considering this nomination.
It is about the constitutional and democratic life that ought to be defended in regard to the international legal framework that we have all agreed upon.
Recognize Justice Sotomayor's intellect, her integrity, and her independence of mind, her respect for the proper role of each branch of government, her fidelity to the law in each case that she hears, and her devotion to protecting our core constitutional rights and liberties. Now,
because you're a constitutional scholar, I think it would be terrible to let you escape from Montana without sharing with you the most perfect preamble to a constitution of any state constitution.
Oh, okay. And yet, despite these very difficult conditions, what we've seen is elections take place. We have now seen the IEC and the ECC in Afghanistan complete their work. We have seen the candidates expressing a willingness to abide by constitutional law, and there is a path forward in order to
a proposal with my home state Senator Russ Feingold, bipartisan proposal to create a constitutional version of the line item veto.
We are mindful, however, that today's voting is the beginning and not the end of a long electoral and constitutional process. As your superintendent indicated, under our constitutional system, my power as president is wisely limited.
But we know that the organizers have the constitutional right.
Justice, so I'm not going to put my constitutional law professor hat on here. Let me focus on initially it's not a constitutional rule.
In 2007, during the first year of my administration, there was a constitutional reform passed that provides all citizens access to information, not only in the federal government, but also in local and municipal governments.
And the reason is because, in accordance with precedent out there, it's constitutional. In looking at this law, not only is it constitutional, but that the court is going to exercise its jurisprudence carefully because of the profound power that our Supreme Court has. As a consequence, we're not spending a whole bunch of time